Okay, let's talk barbell bench press. Unlike a push-up, the shoulders are going to remain back the whole time on the bench. So when you're setting up on the bench, before you even lift the bar up, pull your shoulder blades together, drive your shoulders back into the bench, so where you feel like you're pushing yourself away from the bar. Then you're going to unrack the bar. Notice how my shoulders are still all the way back. Open your chest up. Think about rowing the bar into you. And then push yourself away from the bar. So it's going to help having the feet flat on the ground so you can drive through the floor. And that's going to help push the weight into your shoulders and push yourself away from the bar. So don't think about pushing the bar up. Think about pushing yourself away. That's going to keep you stable. It's going to keep your shoulders in a good position. It's okay to have a little bit of an arch on the bench here. If you're feeling any lower back pain, you can get that upper back arch while still keeping your core tight. So squeeze your abs, but open the shoulders back at the same time. Try that out. Message me if you have any issues with that.